Hi guys! Hi, this is Kavi and it's my first video on YouTube and I'm gonna start with my new Mac. I just got the delivery of this and I just love it.
Nice.
Unboxing is always my favorite part of doing anything. So पहले कुछ इसके configuration जान लेते हैं. So last year Apple 128 GB से जो कि base price start करता है, but this year it's going to start with 256 GB. So that is quite a bit advantage.
What?
For
We always wanted, more storage.
We always need more storage every time because we do a lot of stuff. Let's unbox, dude. Let's unbox.
Okay, yeah.
I'm starting unboxing, yeah.
So let's take...
This is my
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like hours. Woo. That's right. Let's unbox it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not coming out.
The box is so nice. I love it. I'm in love with this box. Woo! Oh my god.
Let's open. Okay, there is lap.
I love this. It's like this.
So it has a charger.
Let's see first here before going to that. So it has the charging cord. It has a little
Charger.
it's kind of battery charger.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, adapter.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the adapter. That's it. Do we have more? Nothing. It's so.
No.
And this.
So it is space gray color.
Yeah, this is space grey color because I am too messy around silver color because we had only two choices, space grey and silver one. So I already have this iPad and look how dirty it is because I'm a messy girl. So I don't want to ruin my new because this is so expensive. Yeah.
I am the one why your son don't need a...
Let's start. I love this part. Really. I don't want even the plastic. I don't want to ruin it. So lightweight, yeah. So lightweight. I love this. It's pretty comfortable. It's like so convenient to handle. Oh my god. It comes with the touch. Okay, I'm removing all the screen.
Oh, that's
Let's start.
okay. So this is the setup and everything.
It comes with the touch ID. I love it very much. Okay.
Here I have is 13-inch MacBook Pro space gray color. Configurations are 1. GHz quad-core, 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor, and it comes with the 16 GB memory and 256 GB SSD storage. It has 13-inch Retina display and it has a touch bar and touch ID with the Backlit Magic Keyboard. I hope my today's video helped you. Please subscribe, like, share, comment down below. And that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.
You are spending on my credit card.
You're too bad at that. You're too bad at